Let's go ahead and start a YouTube channel from zero. So I am just going to assume you already have a Google account and you are already logged in. So if you are, once you come to your YouTube and you come to this section right here where it says create a channel, that's the first thing we're going to have to do. If you have not created a Google account, that's the first thing you're going to have to do. Go create a Google account so that way you can log in to YouTube. Okay, so on the name, you can choose how you want your name to appear. So I am going to go ahead and just do something like this. Okay, hopefully it does allow me to maybe keep this name. It'll show you if the name is available. I like to keep the names as simple as possible, and then you can select a profile picture if you want to. So I'm just gonna do this. This is gonna be the name of my channel. This is gonna be my handle, and then we're gonna hit create channel. Okay. It may take a bit. Okay, so here we go. When you first create a channel, this is what it's going to look like. We're gonna go ahead and go to your YouTube studio. You can start customizing your channel here if you want to. What I like to do is I like to go to YouTube studio. This is going to take you to the YouTube studio where you can go and customize pretty much everything that you need to customize about your channel. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and start here. So this is going to be your dashboard. This is where it's going to show you the statistics, analytics, and how many the videos you uploaded, the views you have gotten, and so on and so forth. So right now we're not going to focus on this because we don't have anything yet. And then once you upload your videos, this is where you can check, all of your videos and see which ones are visible, which ones are private. This is going to be your analytics section. So this is where you can see how many views you have gotten, subscribers, watch time, and so on and so forth. You also have a community tab. This is where you can answer your comments. It'll show you comments that you have not responded, and subtitles as well. It'll show you copyright if you have any copyright issues or anything of that nature. That's where you would be able to see that. The earnings section, this is where it'll show you your requirements and so on and so forth on how to join. So if you for instance, if you reach the 0 to 1,000 subscribers and you hit your 4,000 hours of watch time, you qualify to become the part of the program of the Google AdSense. So this, obviously, we're going to have to look at those metrics and work on those. And then you also are able to become a partner and qualify for short ads and so on and so forth. There's an option for memberships and supers and things of that nature. So this I'm not really going to focus on right now just because that's going to come down the line once you are gaining subscribers and you are gaining watch time and stuff like that. Then that's where you can start sort of looking to see how you can start earning. Now, where we're going to be focusing on would be on customization. This is where you can change your banner. So let me go to YouTube here. I'm going to go to YouTube and then I'm going to do my channel here. Okay. As you can see here, because I just created it, I have not done anything. You can't see anything other than my profile picture and my name. However, when you want to create a banner, you'll just click upload, and you'll be able to upload a picture. You'll be able to upload a picture. You can create a banner from Canva or wherever you want to. So let me just pick a random picture just for the sake of this video. I'm just going to say this one. Let's just say, for instance, if I wanted to use this one, it's going to show you which one is going to show and which one is not going to So for instance, this part on a desktop, for all devices, they can only see this picture. So whenever you're creating your banner on Canva, it's completely for free. You can use Canva to create that. Focus on just keeping maybe your text or your picture, whatever you want to show here. Make sure it fits this right here. So right now I'm just gonna adjust this a little bit to hopefully fit. Maybe, let's just say for instance, if I wanted to just be able to have this as visible, right? Now I'm just gonna hit done, and that's gonna be my banner, okay? And then if you want to change your profile picture, you can change it, remove this one, and then down here, this is my name, so that's how my channel name is gonna show. That's my handle, so this is what you would share with other people if you want people to find you on YouTube. You can just share this handle, and then you can put a description. This is important, especially when you are in this section when someone is barely finding your channel. You can just say something real quick, introducing yourself, or talking about what's your channel about. So I'm just gonna put hi, my name is Joanna. I am stay-at-home mom, currently pregnant and excited to share my maternity journey. Let's just say, for instance, if that's what I wanted my channel to be about, then that's how I will leave that. And then this is your URL. So again, if you wanted to share your channel with someone, this is the link where you can share, and where it says links right here, add links. If you have like Facebook, Instagram, or any other, or TikTok or any other social media platform, this is where you can add those links. You can add an email address here where companies can contact you. Now, I will say, do not use the email address that you are using for your channel. Do not use the same email address here, just because if you use that same email address and it so happens that someone tries to hack your YouTube channel, they already have your email address. So I would suggest use a different one here. So for instance, in the future, if a company wants to contact you to collaborate or whatever, they can message you on that email. Okay. And then here is a video watermark that you can upload if you want to. It can be a picture that says subscribe or anything that you want. So when people hover over this on your videos, they'll be able to subscribe. Okay. So once you're done with all of that, you can just hit publish. Okay. And once you hit publish, you can hit where it says, view channel. Okay. And I'm just going to refresh quick here and see what it looks like. And see, now you can see my banner. And if I were to like change my profile picture, you could see that. And one came and wanted to look at my channel, what my channel is about, they'll be able to read the about section there. Okay, so that's what you do there. Now, another thing, audio library, this is where you can find audio that you can use that's not copyrighted. I would suggest really take this serious, just so that way you can monetize your videos. Now, settings, this is where it's going to get a little bit more technical for you. So for general, obviously, you're just going to update it to whichever country you are at. I'm in the US, so I'm going to put US dollars. Okay. And then basic info right here. It's just going to ask you country of residence. Obviously, I'm in the United States, so I am going to go ahead and select United States. Keywords. This is going to be really important. So again, kind of to help you find your audience, or to help people, to help YouTube show your videos to the right people. So I'm gonna put stay at home mom. Okay. And then when I type that, once I'm done typing what I want, I'm gonna hit comma, and that's going to separate it. So that's how you're able to add different keywords there. So maybe work from home moms as well. Okay. I'm just gonna put a few of them. Content creator. But let's just say, for instance, if you wanted your channel to be about mainly like cleaning videos, cleaning motivation and stuff like that, that's what you would put there. I'm just putting this ones as an example. So once you're satisfied with this, you just hit save, so that way it saves it. I would recommend anytime you're done with something that you like, hit save, so that way it doesn't, your work doesn't go to waste. Okay. Now for advanced settings, this is where you will select if your videos are made for kids. Okay. So I'm going to hit where it says, no, this channel is not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. Okay. So I don't post videos that are made for kids, because this is more like for stay-at-home moms. I'm gonna hit save, and then I'm gonna go back to settings again. And then so we have advanced settings, feature eligibility, upload videos to playlists. These options are gonna become available to you as you grow your channel. You're gonna have to, verify your phone number so that you can upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. And then in order to qualify for all of these, you're going to have to have verify your ID and so on and so forth. So these are steps that you can do. If you verify your phone number, it's going to open this one up for you so that you can start adding links to your description and stuff like that. Okay, so those are things that you can do little by little as you're going. Now, let's go to the upload default. This is where you can have a default description for your video if you want to. So let's just say, for instance, if you have certain links like affiliate links or something that you always want to be shown in your description, you can add those here. And then once you add it, you can just save it. And so what that means is that for every single video that you upload, it's going to have that description. And for advanced settings, this is where you can select any of these that that applies to your channel. Okay. And then for permissions here, this is where you can select if you want to invite someone to help you. This is like when your channel grows a little bit bigger, or if you have someone that edits your videos and stuff like that, you can invite them, add them so that they can come and maybe upload your videos or answer your comments and stuff like that. It does give them permission for certain things, but I wouldn't give the full permission for my channel to someone else. I wouldn't recommend that. Okay, and then for community moderator, this one you can add moderators and approved users to do certain things in your lives and stuff like that. I've never used this before, so I wouldn't be able to show you or teach you how to use it because I have not. Okay, so for creator demographic, for this one, you're gonna you can take a survey, and it's going to provide the information will be used to impact your contents or channels performance on YouTube system. So obviously what you want to do this so that way YouTube kind of understands your channel a little bit more. Okay, and then you go and you can learn more about the terms and services and stuff. And then once you're done with that, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. That you have to kind of like get going in the meantime. And then once you're ready to start uploading, you can hit where it says upload videos. You can hit where it says create and then start uploading videos. So it's pretty simple and kind of like self-explanatory. Kind of like these are the areas that you would need to focus on. Now, let's just say, for instance, if you have more questions in terms of like technical questions and stuff like that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a channel. This channel is really helpful. I've personally
1,000
channel.
subscribers. To many, it means money.
Okay. So I've personally watched this video a lot of times because they do a lot of tips in terms of how to grow and the technical stuff and so on and so forth. So I would recommend if you need help in terms of like how to get things going and learn more about maybe each of these sections on your channel, I would definitely recommend go subscribe to this channel. Other there's definitely other channels too, but this is like the one that comes to my mind as soon as I think of like channels that will help you with that. So as you can see right here, I'm also subscribed to Think Media. They are also very helpful. And then yeah, those two are the ones that I would definitely recommend for you to watch if you feel like you need help with the technical stuff and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, let me see. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. The technical stuff that you have to do, you're gonna be learning as you go. And then obviously, like I said, if you have any questions in this section, I would recommend just search for the video here on YouTube or come to this specific channel just because this channel it is it's made for creators. It's made for creators and they share a lot of tips and some of these videos they dive deep in terms of providing tips and so on and so forth for you. So it is really helpful to have a channel that you can sort of trust and go to when you need help. And I personally like this channel. Like I said, there's a lot more channels in terms of the ones that are going to help you. This is just one of the first ones that comes to my mind. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. I am more than happy to answer any questions that I can. I am not an expert in this area. However, I kind of know a little bit about it. That's why I'm making this video. So I hope it helps. And I'll see you tomorrow.